Ever feel like your crypto assets are scattered across the digital landscape, a bit like finding matching socks after laundry day? You've got some on one blockchain, others somewhere else, and keeping track of it all feels like a part-time job, right? Well, what if I told you there's a way to bring a little order to that crypto chaos? What if there was a single place to manage assets from multiple blockchains, without the constant switching and the headache of multiple wallets? That's where Bifrost Wallet enters the picture. Think of Bifrost Wallet as your central command center for the multi-chain universe. It's a non-custodial wallet, which is a fancy way of saying you are in complete control of your private keys and your funds. No third party holding your assets, it's all you. This is a fundamental principle in the crypto world, emphasizing security and true ownership. But what truly sets Bifrost Wallet apart is its focus on interoperability. In a world where new blockchains are constantly emerging, each with its own unique tokens and functionalities, managing assets across these isolated ecosystems can be a real pain. Bifrost aims to bridge these gaps. Initially known for its strong support within the Polkadot ecosystem, connecting various parachains and their native tokens, Bifrost Wallet has been expanding its horizons. It's designed to be a gateway to a growing number of blockchain networks, allowing you to send, receive, and manage a diverse range of digital assets all within a single, user-friendly interface. Imagine being able to seamlessly interact with tokens on Polkadot, Kusama, Ethereum, and potentially even more chains in the future, all from the convenience of one application. No more juggling multiple browser extensions or mobile apps. Bifrost strives to simplify your multi-chain experience. Beyond basic sending and receiving, Bifrost Wallet often integrates features that enhance your interaction with decentralized finance, DeFi. This can include staking capabilities, allowing you to earn rewards on your holdings by participating in the network's consensus mechanism. For example, within the Polkadot ecosystem, you might be able to stake your DOT or other parachain tokens directly through the wallet. Furthermore, Bifrost can act as a portal to various decentralized applications, dApps, across different chains. As the multi-chain ecosystem evolves, having a wallet that can connect you to these diverse applications becomes increasingly valuable. Whether it's participating in decentralized exchanges, DEXs, lending and borrowing platforms, or other innovative DeFi protocols, Bifrost aims to be your key to unlocking these opportunities across multiple networks. Security, as mentioned earlier, is paramount. Being a non-custodial wallet means you are responsible for safeguarding your seed phrase, the master key to your funds. Bifrost Wallet provides the tools to securely manage this crucial information, but ultimately, the security of your assets rests in your hands. Always practice safe storage habits and be vigilant against phishing attempts. In essence, Bifrost Wallet is evolving into a comprehensive multi-chain asset management tool. It's designed to streamline your experience in the increasingly interconnected world of blockchain, offering a unified platform to manage your diverse crypto portfolio and interact with the expanding landscape of decentralized applications. It's about bringing simplicity and efficiency to the complexities of a multi-chain future. So, if you're navigating the world of multiple blockchains and are looking for a way to simplify your crypto management, Bifrost Wallet is definitely worth exploring. It offers a glimpse into a future where interacting with different blockchains feels less like navigating separate islands and more like traversing a unified continent. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.